Welcome back to another grocery chat. Ooh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was back with another grocery chat haul and some grocery chat news. How about it? Oh, I didn't cut my finger with the scissors when I was in this cutting up some vegetables, and I snipped the crap out of my finger, and it hurts so bad. But anyway, this is a grocery chat haul, and let me share. Spent a few bucks on some meat, so let me share what I got here. I got one bag of catfish. This comes from Food for Less. And I got 2 bags of the swahi and one bag of tilapia. Some of you might call it tilapa, and I say tilipa. You say palapa? Okay, moving on. That's the fish. Lord knows, I hope I got enough room in the freezer, because I might have miscalculated how much meat I should have bought. Okay, so let me back this up. Okay, I got some more neck bones. I got 2 packs of neck bones. They on sale this week at Food for Less for $1.99. By the time I share this video, the sale will be over, because it's going up Wednesday. But hopefully some of y'all get to the food for food. Some of you would have gotten a Food for Less haul and got lucky enough to get some of these deals, because they got the chicken legs and thighs on sale 99 cents a pound. We got 3 packs of the chicken legs, prices around the $4 mark, as you can see. So I got 3 packs of legs, and I got the thighs was in the $5 mark. Y'all can see that. Ooh, it's a shadow. $5 mark. Is that $5? Yeah. Thighs was around the $5 and some change. So I got 4 thighs, 3 legs, 3 packs of legs, and 4 packs of chicken thighs. We love us some chicken thighs. Ooh, yes, chicken thighs, so dang good. But yeah, and also what ain't up here is a loaf of bread. I bought some Campbell's soups because they was on sale, 99 cents. And what else did I get? I think that's about it for this go round. But what's going on? Last time I shared with y'all about the angry grocery thieves, the people that go in the store and they angry, upset, mad, irritated, agitated because they can't get away with stealing what they want from Walmart, allegedly going through the self-checkout. And I think Target was having the same problem, and they got people surveilling everybody, just directly eyes on you heavily, so that they can see your every move when you get ready to go through that self-checkout line, so you can't be getting stuff that don't belong to you, that you didn't pay for. And that little thing speak anyway, say put this in your basket. But anyway, it was the way they was getting around, where the little thing would say put that in your basket, or pay for this first. They was doing something, that angry grocery thief, allegedly. But now they done locked up, I guess a bunch of y'all see they have locked up all kind of stuff in these drugstores, because people was coming through there stealing and carrying on and whatnot. Oh, they make life hard for people that don't do that kind of stuff. Prices go up. It's not as convenient. The employees aren't as nice anymore. They got attitudes. They tired. They weary. They upset, allegedly, because all of the theft and the attitudes from the angry thieves coming through. Angry, upset. They can't get stuff like they used to no more. Y'all heard about all this stuff, I'm sure. If not, say so in the comments, because it's going on. Now I hear certain food items are in shortage, or don't have enough of it. Did y'all hear last time about the Clorox bleach was, I guess, temporarily unavailable I forgot why, but it was temporarily unavailable, the Clorox bleach and like disinfectant wipes, and people was going out getting a lot of that. And now they say certain food items won't be available. With the war, they say stuff is going on that's going to affect the gas prices and probably some food items and so forth and so forth. So yeah, with these gas prices, with that war, they gonna say, I heard people gonna be saying because of the war they can't get the gas to where it need to be on at a specific time or in a specific area because they don't have the supplies. They can't get the supplies because of the war. And if y'all heard about this, say so in the comments. I watched a video and this guy was sharing the prices of candy in Sam's Club. Sam's Club want $50 for some candy, a box of candy, $50 for some candy. And the guy, he was just so upset about the prices. And he got to talking about how, why would you buy and spend your money on something just to give it away? I didn't think, why is he even, sharing his opinion like that? Because if folks gonna buy it and they want to give it away, what it got to do with his pocket? It didn't come out his pocket. But he was very, very upset about that. And I just was thinking, why is he so concerned about these folks spending their $40, $50 on some candy that they want to give out to children? But trick-or-treating is not like it was like back in the day. Now they want to poison, hurt, injure children by putting stuff in foods. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, they trying to put stuff in the kids' candy, and if you get fruit, and if you in neighborhoods you don't know these people, you should be checking your supply and stuff. Some stuff. Oh, by the way, well, I know I'm speaking on this about candy being tampered with and all that stuff. Also in grocery stores. Oh, this is what I want to say. I don't think I'm going to be doing too much online delivery anymore. Since I heard about this incident where folks, when you order food, the driver, do you all know these people be opening up y'all stuff and going in there eating on y'all food and stuff like that, and then got the nerves to seal the bag back up and give it to you? I said, oh, hell no. One day I had a delivery come from the grocery store, and my bread looked like it had been tampered with. It smelled, well, I can say smelled funny, but that day when I smelled, because y'all still know my smelling and taste is still off, I'm letting you know. The bread had this particular odor. Okay, I could have been tripping because, I ain't been smelling. It's been so long now. But anyway, the bread looked like it had been tampered with. So then, me seeing that incident online where they shared, it was on the news too, they shared this person right outside the place where he picked up the people food and had the nerve to break the seal, go in there and eat out of every container that was in that bag. And then they had me, that triggered that day when I checked my bread from the delivery from the grocery store. I said, oh, this looked like it been tampered with. And I didn't like that at all. So now I'm kind of leery now, thinking about when my food get delivered. Do you know they can go in the packages, like I noticed like my lemon bag, like the fruit bags, like some of the fruit is missing, lemons, stuff like that. Y'all get where I'm going? You ever notice, oh, it looked like this bag kind of short. There people be taking, well, I better say allegedly, taking food and stuff out your packages. Only thing safe is stuff where they can't, like a package where it's completely sealed and they can't, you would know if it was open. Like a jelly jar or something, you would know it was open because the cap would be popped. Stuff like that. Or something that they can reseal. Like now, I think, shoot, I'll be more like going in the store than delivery from the store now, because since I seen that little article where they showing people just going in your food and eating out of it and taking stuff, Now I'm thinking that's that same thing going on with delivery grocery too. So you can't be too careful. I hope this helps somebody sharing this. If y'all had this experience and you felt like somebody was picking through your groceries or your delivered food, your hamburger, your fry, even your soda, hello, sipping out your soda, can you? And the guy that was caught on camera, he actually delivered that food, and the guy that was the food was bought from, he called the people and let them know, hey, don't eat that, because the guy that brought that to you, he ate out of it. And then the man that owned the restaurant, he personally fixed their food and personally took it to the customer. But that was disgusting. So now I have my, you know, where I don't feel comfortable anymore about ordering online and have certain foods delivered, because these foods is going in your food these days. It's so much, the times and the times and days of what's going on now. When people say the end of times, it's so much craziness going on that folks are doing what they're doing ever since that COVID shit. People got sick, mentally affected, emotionally affected, physically affected, but mostly mentally, where they doing stuff that they would have never done before. Well, y'all be careful when you order stuff, especially cooked food, because people definitely eating out your food. If you didn't see that article on the news or on the social media, they doing it. So be leery of that stuff. All right, but that's the news of the day. Grocery haul of the day. Don't forget, if you want to share it, you want to join this collab, use the hashtag. Bye for now. Goodbye for now. I'll see you on the next grocery chat.